Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. To have your product reviewed, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct.
James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today I have a little unboxing of a new keyboard. This is by Redragon. Now, on this keyboard, the box is, I'm going to point it out, the box does not match what the keyboard actually is. It is a round keycap. It is a typewriter style keycap. This is their model number K556. This is an RGB keyboard. You can remove the keys, so you can swap the keys out if you want to go back to the regular squares or whatever. That doesn't come with an extra set, but you can do it. This has 18 different modes. It also has a pro mode where you can program your own, I believe. It's just by functions and all that. So pretty much it's got all that. It's got the 104 keys with anti-ghosting, so you should be able to, full conflict free by pressing multiple keys at once. Shouldn't have any issues. This is a brown switch, so it is a brown mechanical key. But let's pop it open. Let's grab a knife here. We'll just stick that down there. Inside here we'll have mechanical gaming switches, but we'll pop it open and see what's actually inside. We have the keyboard and some other stuff. I'm going to actually just throw the box aside. I'm going to take the plastic off, set this back here first. Alright, so in this box it shows mechanical switch replacements. So it looks like it comes with some extra switches, which may be pretty cool. So if you need to replace a couple, you can. And that is actually what this is. Inside it is, this looks like blue switches though. I could be wrong. They look blue, if you guys can see this. I apologize if you can't see it. We actually have two different key pullers. So I'm sure one is to actually pull the switch itself, which would be this metal one, and this would be to pull the other. Now, I don't actually need the knife anymore. Over here we have the user manual and driver disc. I'm going to say you guys are going to probably need the driver disc. This is a mini driver disc. You guys will probably need this for setting up the RGBs and stuff like that. We don't need the plastic. Inside this is just, your user manual, wired. Shows you it's a wired, multi-functions. Shows you have open media player, volume up and down, mute, stop tracks, emails, calculators, stuff like that. Keyboard functions. So if you want to use functions like window locks, arrows up and down, how to change your colors and lights, stuff like that. Shows you pieces and parts, and pretty much everything you expect. And like I said, these are the key switches. It is a brown switch inside, so I'm debating if these are actually brown switches. We're going to pull the keyboard over here first. As you can see, this is old typewriter style round caps. It is smooth. Not a big issue. We're going to take the key puller. Now if you pull this up, you'll actually see that this switch in here is a brown switch. So they give you a brown switch, but they also send you some blue switches. Not sure why they did that. But you get what you get, I guess. We're going to pop up some other keycaps. I could almost just pop these off easier by hand, I'm sure. Now I'm going to give you guys a little closer up, a little better. You can see the keycaps off, switches. But you actually have the option to take the keys off. They give you some extras. I'm thinking they send that along with the kit because the box is an in general box for several boards. Now the top is a metal. This is a metal keyboard. It does have some weight. On the bottom you have little rubber feet, and you also have the stand-ups. So all in all, it's a nice little keyboard. And like I said, this is the K556-R. This is a fully RGB keyboard. This is a mechanical keys. So you can replace the keys if keys go bad. You shouldn't have no issues with the keys. But I thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Redragon K556-R RGB LED backlit mechanical keyboard. And keep you guys out for the LED lighting video. I'll probably do a little video of the LED modes, and I'll probably do, you know, type tests and stuff like that in a full written review on dragonblogger.com. But I appreciate you guys checking out my unboxing, and keep your eyes out for more.
Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. To have your product reviewed, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct.